Hello everyone! I'm finally uploading this. This is a full face alignment routine. It not only helps with facial correction, but will also improve facial elasticity and skin tone. Please do this about 2 to 3 times a day and check the degree of change every 2 weeks. Now, let's get started. The first balancing exercise is the big yawn. Open your mouth wide as if you're yawning. Masseter. This exercise is very helpful for jaw joint imbalance. Good. Let's do one more set. This movement is not artificial or unnatural. It is a natural downward movement of the mandible, or jaw, just like yawning. The next movement is puffed cheeks, zygomaticus. Fill your cheeks with air and move the air from left to right, then right to left. This exercise balances and tones the zygomatic muscles, or cheekbone muscles. Let's do it once more. Well done! The next movement is Kiss Me Darling, orbicularis oris. As the name suggests, purse your lips forward as if you want a kiss. You're doing great. Let's do one more set. Focus on the feeling of the muscles around your lips contracting, muscles you don't usually use. Very good. On to the next movement. Press the molar area with your palm and lower your lower jaw downward. Very well done. No matter the movement, you should not feel pain or discomfort. Please move slowly within a comfortable range. Very good. Gently pull your head to the side with your hand. You should feel a good stretch along the side of your neck. Sternocleidomastoid. Great! Now the other side. This time is a very gentle stretch for the orbicularis oculi. Orbicularis oculi. Fix both outer corners of your eyes with your fingers, then move your eyes from left to right, and again from right to left. Let's do it once more. Be gentle and slow. Do not pull your eyes to the point where it hurts. The next movement is like pulling your lips inward. Depressor labii. Hold for 10 seconds. Let's do one more set. The next movement is very similar to the previous one. Sternohyoid. This time, add a motion of pulling your neck backward. You should feel a good stretch in the front of your neck. And one more set. Fix your fingers above your eyebrows, open your eyes wide, and push your eyebrows upward. Frontalis. The fingers are there to prevent forehead wrinkles from forming during the exercise. Let's do one more set. Next movement, place your hand on the temporalis muscle, the muscle on the side of the head, and lower your lower jaw downward. Well done! One more set. Very good! For this movement, make an O shape with your mouth and tilt your head to the side. We'll do the other side as well. Very good. This time is the nasalis muscle movement. Nasalis. Pull one corner of your lips sideways and downward while tilting your head in the same direction. Very nice. Let's do the other side too. Perfect. Now we'll do a facial massage over the entire face for 40 seconds. Start from the cheekbones and go deep around the jaw area as well. Release the areas that feel the most refreshing and comfortable when pressed. Those are the points where the muscles are most tense and knotted. Loosening those muscles is especially effective.